Hi everyone, just a couple more examples for finding exact values. So if I wanted to find out the exact value of sine 240, first thing I would do is draw a diagram, just like in class. So there's my y-axis, there's my x-axis, and then I'm going to sketch where 240 degrees would be. So 240 degrees would be in, I think, the third quadrant, so this would be 90 degrees up there. This guy over here would be 180 degrees. Down here we'd have 270 degrees. So 240 is not quite 270, so it's going to be in the third quadrant. So I'm going to draw a third quadrant. So there we go. Always back to the x-axis, so this is going to go back to the x-axis, never to the y-axis. Got a right angle down there. 240 will be all the way to there, so that's 240 degrees. And I need to figure out the little angle in there. So from the x-axis, 240 minus 180 would give me 60. So this is 60 degrees. Then this would give me 30 degrees for this angle down here. And then you fill in your special triangle. So my special triangle would be 1 here, root 3 over here, and a 2 for the hypotenuse. And if I think about where things are positive and negative in the x quadrant, or on the x-axis, this would be -1. On the y-axis, down here would be negative, so this would be -3. And then it's just a matter of figuring out the sine of 240. So from this reference angle, it would be opposite over hypotenuse, so opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, sine 240 is equal to -√3 over 2. So the -√3, so is the opposite over the hypotenuse in the triangle. And that's one more example. I'll do another one here. Put a line here so we can tell the difference. Tan 315. Same thing, I'm going to sketch it. So try and think about what quadrant that would be in. So we'll go through the exact same process as before. So this is 90 up here. This is 180. This is 270. Over here would be 360 degrees. So 315 would definitely be in quadrant 4. So down here somewhere. Create my triangle, always back to the x-axis, never to the y-axis. There's my right angle. 360 degrees would be measured from the initial arm all the way around. Or 315, I mean, so this would be 315 degrees. And then to figure out that little piece in there, it would be 360, which is all the way around, minus 315, and that would give me the little piece there. So 360 minus 315 is 45 degrees. That makes that one also 45 degrees. And then my special triangle would be √2 over here, √2 over there, and then the hypotenuse, which is always 2. And I want tan of 315, so from the 45 I want, oh I forgot, this should be negative. On the y-axis it's negative. So if I want tan of 315, I'm using the reference angle 45, so tan 315 would be opposite over adjacent. So -√2 over √2. So that gives me, therefore, tan 315 degrees is equal to negative √2 over √2. Which would be equal to -√2 over √2 should simplify to -1, and you can double check that in your calculator and it should work. So hopefully that's helpful. Good luck with the rest of this.